How to add manual time in Upwork Work Diary. Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. Let's begin. Ready to add manual time? Here's a step-by-step guide. Navigate to your work diary. Log into your Upwork account and access the specific contract's work diary where you want to add the manual time. Step 2. Select the date, choose the day, the record, or the manual time entry. Step 3. Select Add Manual Time. Locate and click the Add Manual Time button within the work diary interface. Step 4. Enter details. Fill out the following information: time period, enter duration of the work you completed in hours and minutes. Description: provide a clear and concise description of your work. This will help your client understand how you spent your time and strengthen transparency. Best practices for manual time entries. While manual time offers flexibility, there are some key practices to ensure its effectiveness: client communication, timely entries, and detailed description. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.